Hey, welcome. You made it to your first project. Creating a coat of arms is the first project that will be marked on a summative basis. In other words, this is the first actual marked assignment for the course that you will be completing. Before talking about how to do the project, let's look a little bit about what a coat of arms is. If we look on the paper to the left, we see an example of a coat of arms. This is Canada's coat of arms. To the right, we see another example. This is the Alberta provincial coat of arms. Further down, we see another example. This is the personal coat of arms of Governor General Michel Jean, the former Governor General of Canada. But what is a coat of arms? Well, basically, it's a symbolic representation of an individual or collective's identity. Michel Jean's coat of arms symbolizes her personal and collective identity. Notice, there are symbols along the sides and within the interior of the coat of arms. Each one is uniquely important and reflects a particular element of her identity. We see this labeled to the right with the various numbered symbols. Each one specifically reflects something important and unique about Michel Jean. Now, let's get to your own coat of arms and how you'll go about creating one. Well, if we scroll down, we can actually look specifically at what it is you need to do. So your task is to create a personal coat of arms that expresses your personal and collective, and in this case, national identity. Your coat of arms must use symbols to represent components of your identity. An explanation of the symbols and how they relate to your identity will also be included within your project. Finally, once you've completed creating your own coat of arms, you'll provide a paragraph response to a couple of questions. The first one being, to what extent does my coat of arms express nationalism? The second question, to what extent should nation be the foundation of identity? These two questions and the answers you provide are as important as a coat of arms that you create for yourself. In creating your coat of arms, and for the assignment specifically, there are a number of steps that you will need to follow. They are all laid out within the assignment instruction sheet provided. Steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are specifically laid out for you. As well, so that you're not having to draw this or do this from scratch, there's a number of online websites that provide coat of arms generators that you may use to assist you in creating your coat of arms. Either way, the assessment, no matter how you go about doing this, will be based on 4 specific areas: the quality of the symbols that you create, the explanation of the symbols that you provide, the overall product itself, and the answers to the 2 questions that are provided. This is a little bit of a different type of exercise, and hopefully you can have a little bit of fun with it. But remember, in the end, this assignment is marked and will go down as part of your grade. Good luck!